I am so thrilled to be back in the studio with my lovely friend Paula. It's been a while since we've seen each other.
It is.
But while in the interim between our visits, you have been on a mission to use up the blue jeans of the whole
world.
planet.
Absolutely.
They are a real problem, aren't they, for recycling?
Yes, they fill landfills more often than not because they're so difficult to recycle.
Well, one woman's mission to use them all.
Yes, every bit of them.
Gorgeous quilts. Why am I sounding so bright? All your stuff is gorgeous. These are ravioli. Here's some biscuits, and this is Borro, but on the machine, and without a W in it. Okay, so ravioli quilts you're going to show us how to make, but it's basically 3 little layers, is that right?
Yes, it's each one of them is a little quilt.
Right.
That looks like a ravioli.
So scraps on the top, jeans, scraps of wadding.
Yeah, and a backing.
And a backing.
So you can
I throw this?
Absolutely.
Look at this, itsy bits, yes?
Yes, those are all from flannel shirts.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. And similar sort of idea at the front.
Yep.
This one looks as though it's been washed a little bit more often than this.
Oh, a lot of them have been washed quite a few times.
Well, not washed to death exactly.
No, they're almost indestructible, so.
Brilliant, brilliant. And blue jeans, just to make some Borro. This is gorgeous. But here are the bits you've used up.
Yes, so these are offcuts after I've done the ravioli quilt. I usually have little offcuts, and you can keep the
pockets.
The pockets and whatever you have, and just back them with
just
fused
onto something.
Yeah.
And this is using that very clever triple stitch we've all got on the sewing machine.
Yes.
And regular thread, yes?
Yes, exactly.
Lovely.
Exactly. So it looks a lot like Borro. And you can make it into a fabric like that you can use in garments.
And then just use it as a piece.
Yep.
As a piece.
Yep.
So biscuit quilts, I'm not even going to share the story of my first foray into biscuit quilts. It didn't look anywhere near as gorgeous as this. But the back of it, you were saying, we could use your pockets on the back of of a cushion.
Yes. Yes, so I've used machine Borro here, and I've used the placket and a pocket of a shirt.
And the opening, how clever is that?
That's
the opening for your cushion.
Yeah.
And this one's blue, so it can live in my house, but this one's got a little bit of colour on it too. This has got a different shirt.
Yes, exactly.
And slightly different, we've got some of your free motion quilting skills on the back here.
Yeah. Yeah, again, so you could do that triple stitch, or you could just do free motion if you wanted to.
And whatever. And we're also in front of 2 beautiful quilts, again, going back to the ravioli idea.
Yes, yeah. So behind me is the sunflower ravioli.
Right.
Where I simply cut a circle instead of a square for the center.
Okay.
And then on the other side is T-shirts.
T-shirts, we didn't mention them.
Yeah, so on the other side it is denim again. And that's a bit that goes on the ground, so it can be used as a picnic rug.
Wonderful. Useful as well as quilts.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, thank you for all the inspiration, Paula. It's lovely to see you again.
Nice to see you.